Sarap makahanap ng mga taong masaya kapag nakikita kang masaya, no? Pero ito ang problema. When they start seeing you becoming more successful than them, then they don't want it anymore. They start walking away from you. They start competing with you. Minsan tuloy mapapaisip ka na lang, may nagawa ba akong mali? May nasabi ba akong mali? Yan ang dahilan kaya may kasabihang, if you are personally growing, some people will leave, but some people will stay. Do not regret losing numbers if that means having the real ones. What you can do is appreciate those you have during your lowest up to your success. One day, you will thank God for leading you not to the people you want, but to the people you need. You will thank Him because sometimes it's Him you don't want, but He's always there in times you are in need.
Darating ang perfect match ko. Ang tagal ko nang naghihintay. Ang dami nang dumating. Ang dami ko nang pinalampas. Ang dami ko nang...
Oops! Yun na nga eh. Hanap ka ng hanap pero wala pa rin. Baka ang tunay na problema ay ikaw ang hindi mahanap ng dapat sana ay lifetime partner mo. Dahil para sa kanya, baka hindi ikaw ang perfect match niya. Anong ibig sabihin nun? As we set standard for our ideal person, that standard should also apply to us. And so the next time you pray, don't just say, Lord, sana ibigay mo na sa akin ang perfect match ko. You say, Lord, baguhin mo ako at ang puso ko para maging mas mabuting tao ako sa lifetime partner na pagkakaloob mo. Kuha mo. Ding! Basta tiwala ka lang sa Diyos dahil kung may inilaan siya para sa'yo, darating yon in His perfect time.
Ibinigay ko naman lahat, pero hindi ako ang pinili niya. Hindi ako ang mahal niya. Hindi ako ang champ sa puso niya.
Wala eh. Ganun talaga. Loving someone is never a guarantee that the person will love you back. Kesa naman makuha mo siya dahil napilitan lang siya. Mas masakit ata yun, di ba? Pero kung meron ka man dapat hindi pang hinayangan, yun ay yung nagmahal ka, nagpahalaga ka, at nag-alaga ka. Because the truth is, you never lose when you choose to show love. I pray that one day, you'll meet the person or the people that will love you the way you do. Yung mararamdaman mong champ ka sa puso nila. Basta sure ako na ngayon pa lang may nagmamahal na ng sobra-sobra sa'yo. Si Lord.
Ayan, walang gustong mag-alaga sa akin. Walang nag-iingat sa akin.
Look, before you demand from others, you need to understand that your life is your life. Kaya naman dapat matutunan mo munang alagaan ang sarili mo bago ka mag-expect ng ganun sa ibang tao. Tandaan, hindi masamang ingatan ng sarili because when you take care of yourself, you will be able to help more, love more, and serve the Lord all the more. At kapag usapang self-care, you need to live healthy. Kaya naman, be responsibly healthy. Isang paalala mula sa Department of Agriculture. At alam mo ba na base sa pag-aaral, less exposed ang bigas ng Pinas sa mga fertilizers at pesticides kumpara sa mga inaangkat natin mula sa ibang bansa. Mas healthy! Kaya naman, tangkilikin natin ang bigas ng Pinoy!
Diba ang galing ng Pinoy? Kahit sa natin kita naman ang kagalingan.
Ingat, hirap minsan ng buhay, no? Hindi naman dahil sa puro hindi magaganda yung nangyayari sa'yo. Sometimes, life seems to be so hard because we are growing up too fast that we forget to pause for a while and to breathe. To enjoy life, to appreciate what we have, to be grateful with what we have. There's nothing wrong with progress. There's nothing wrong with being busy. Pero wala ring mali sa pagtigil sandali para huminga, magpahinga, kumain, makipagkwentuhan, makipagtawanan at ngumiti. I pray that you will continue to grow in your field while having that child in you that still gets excited with the little things. You are strong. At dahil dyan nami-misinterpret ka ng iba. Akala nila matapang ka, mayabang ka, pabida ka. Well, at some point, you also need to assess yourself if you are going beyond the limit. But as long as you know that you are not hurting anybody, that you respect and acknowledge others, that you are just doing what is right and what is best, you don't have to be sorry for who you are because that's what you are made for. You are called to lead, to speak, and to take a stand. Some may not understand, but there are people who appreciate you and they thank God because of you. Pero tandaan, kahit gaano ka kalakas, hindi kasalanan ang magpakita ng pagod at kahinaan, kaya dumepende ka palagi sa kanyang kalakasan. Isa sa mga dahilan kaya ka nadidisappoint ng paulit-ulit. Hindi mo namamalayang nagdedemand ka na ng sobra. That when you give time to someone, you also demand for attention. That when you care for someone, you also demand for concern. That when you love someone, you also demand for affection. Remember that when you do good things to others with pure and genuine intentions, You do it willingly without expecting and waiting for anything in return. Kasi alam mong hindi naman lugi ang taong nagbibigay sapagkat wala mang bumalik sa kanya, Diyos ang magpapala. I'm sorry if your efforts are unreciprocated. But don't worry because with the right motive of your heart, God will bless you more than what you have expected. Nakikita mo ba yung sugat na to? Lagyan natin ng konting hugot sa buhay. That could mean kahit kaano mo ingatan ang sarili mo, masusugatan ka pa rin, masasaktan ka pa rin. Why? Simply because that's part of learning. That's part of growing. And so if today you are hurting, that doesn't mean God has forgotten about you. Kapag ikaw ay nasasaktan, binibigyan ka niya ng oportunidad para magtiwala sa Kanya at mas kumapit sa Kanya. Baka lang kasi nakakalimot ka na. Bumalik ka na sa Kanya.
Yung single ka, tapos choosy ka, parang very wrong.
No! It's not wrong to be choosy in picking and finding your partner because that's one of the ways for you to protect yourself and your future. At the end of the day, you are not just looking for a temporary body but for a lifetime helper. Yung makakasama mong mangarap at magsusumikap para ang mga plano nyo ay maganap. Kaya nga mahalaga na meron kang negotiables and non-negotiables. Negotiables, yung mga bagay na baka pwede mo nang i-consider. For example, pwede na kahit mas maliit sa akin. Pwede na kahit mas matanda ako sa kanya. Non-negotiables, yung mga bagay na hindi dapat mawala. For example, dapat mataas ang respeto sa mga magulang. Dapat may takot at relasyon sa Panginoon. Set right standards, be patient, and trust the Lord all the time. At isa pang paraan para ingatan ng puso ang pagkain ng brown rice. Ayon sa pag-aaral, ito ay mayaman sa nutrients na maaaring panlaban sa cancer, diabetes at sakit sa puso. Be responsibly healthy. Love you. Why do fears greatly disappear every time you are near? Just like me, you want them to be close to you. Why do scars seem to be so nice? 'Cause you embrace our broken lives. Just like me, you want them to be close to you. On the day that we were born, our sins piled up together, and we started to exist apart from you. So you came to save us in despair. No matter who we are, your love is true. That is why all the renewed must follow you all the while. 'Cause just like me, now they long to be close to you. On the day that we were born, our sins piled up together, and we started to exist apart from you. So you came to save us in despair. No matter who we are, your love is true. That is why all the renewed minds follow you all the while. 'Cause just like me, now they long to be close to you. Just like me, they long to be close to you. And every time you remember that, you start to lose your confidence in yourself. But hey, one day, you'll be grateful they left. Not just because of the memories, but because of the lessons you learned. You will be grateful because they gave you a beautiful space to meet new people and to experience new situations. Yes, you cannot force anyone to stay, but at least they became part of your life. So what you can do now is to thank God for those who are still with you until now and trust Him for those who will sooner or later leave and those who are about to come. At least ang Diyos, hindi nang iiwan kailanman.